everyone, and welcome back to Sew Plus by Jess. And today we are going to be getting into clue 9 of our puzzle mystery quilt, and I am so super excited about it. We are almost at the end. Can you believe it? Oh my word, where are we gonna go? I know that I have definitely my skills for flying geese and half square triangles. The skills have, I believe, have almost been mastered, if not. Every time that we do one of these clues, we are just working one more step on a half square triangle or a flying geese. All right, so today we are going to be creating 4 of these blocks. And it looks like we only have 3 different types of fabric. That's all we're working with today. So let me get my little cheat sheet out. So I have my little cotton cuts card from Enchanted, and on the back it tells me my colorway and the fabric that I'm going to be using and where it goes. So we have, let's look at our thing. We should have 4 of these E's, and we do. So E. We have D's, and we have some more little smaller ones of D. We got some blocks in D, and last but not least, some blocks, my word, squares and triangles in A. Amazing. All right. Oh, I love it. And our Cotton Club box of the month. So here is our card that we can color. Let me go ahead and turn around and cover those instructions. But look at that colorway that you could do. How amazing is that? So I did this once upon a time. It's like my first one when I started Cotton Cuts, and I won a little prize from them. So I'm probably going to do this again this month to see where we can go. Anyway, I'm really enjoying it. All right, so are you ready to rock and roll and make this block? Let's go to the sewing machine. Okay. So let's go ahead. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take triangle D and put a small triangle A to it. And I always start on the right side because I'm right-handed. I'm going to reach over and turn this gotta turn on that iron so we can press. Okay. And so I don't need to break my thread. I'm going to go ahead and do part 2 also. So I'm going to take an E triangle, and with a D triangle, we're going to put that together. So how's everyone's October going? It's busy as normal in the Wilkie household. It's fun though. Wouldn't have it any other way. Softball is in full effect. We do travel ball with my youngest a little bit here or there. And then she's on a rec ball team too. She enjoys it. All right. So after we press away from the large triangle, we're going to go ahead and add another letter A to the side of D. All right. Make sure you press back. Add another D triangle to the left side. So my iron's heated up, ready to go now. Okay. This construction seems pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and press that back. Iron. While that's setting up, I'm going to take an A and a D square, line them up. So a 1/4 inch seam down. Open up that seam. Let's go ahead and press. Then we're going to take these 2 units that we created, sew them together so that the second flying geese unit that we created is on the bottom. And remember, when you sew these units, you're going to sew with the flying geese up on top so that you can make sure that you stay to the right of where those lines and seams intersect. Because if not, you're going to cut off that point. We don't need our goose to be cut off. All right, let's see. I'm pressing this to the A. Fabric A is orange. All right. And then we're going to press this one towards the D fabric. And look, we did not cut off that point. Look how beautiful that point is. You know it. Okay, so now we have this unit, and then we are going to attach just like this. And when we do, press wrong. Oh, I did press wrong. I was supposed to press down towards the blue. I was like, they're supposed to be seaming. They're supposed to be nesting. It's all right. We can repress it in a little bit. So go ahead and nest those seams so they lock together. I'm a little rusty at making videos. You can go ahead and get on me for it. It's all right. Okay, then we're going to press towards the squares. And there we go. That is our unit, and now I just have to make that 3 more times. Amazing. Isn't this a perfect fall quilt? It's going to be beautiful. Absolutely. All right, and there is our block. Beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely. Like, again, like I said, perfect fall colors. Absolutely love it. So I will make this 3 more times in just a moment and add it to my fabulous little box that I have just full of all of the blocks that we have created over the last 9 months. I am so... I'm resisting the urge to put it up on the wall. Like, we already know what the center is because it's only one block and it's a square and a square. But what will the rest look like? I kind of want to take my hand and try to figure out and then send it to Sean, the guy who sews, because apparently he already knows. But it's okay. Lastly, before I go, I created this beautiful thing this weekend. Look how pretty that she is. So I took my hand at weaving, and it does give like that 3D effect. Isn't it beautiful? I'm making a bag out of it. Not thinking about it, we're making a bag out of it. So my thing is, do I make a second one so I have a really nice big bag? So when I go to the farmer's market and stuff, that I have this beautiful thing with me. Or do I fold it up and kind of make like 2 little bags out of it? I don't know. I'm thinking one big bag. Yes. Love the farmer's market. And I haven't been in about a little over a month, and I really miss it. So, anywho, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little bit about it. The way that this block goes together for those friends that are putting this block together. I feel super rusty for putting this video together. I mean, if you think about it, it's been quite a bit since the first time, or since the last time that I put a video out. Plus, it's almost 9 o'clock at night, and all my brand sales are pretty much gone at the moment. The coffee's not hitting me the way that it needs to. Oh well, but I'm still having fun, and that's all that matters. So I hope that you have a great night, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.